In the realm of agriculture, knowledge is power, and access to comprehensive equipment manuals can be the key to unlocking the full potential of your machinery. At machinesmanual.com, we stand as your foremost resource for a treasure trove of KC agriculture equipment manuals, including service manuals, parts manuals, and operators manuals, all conveniently available in PDF format, and all at prices that won't break the bank. Quality manuals to empower you. Our mission at machinesmanual.com is to ensure that every farmer, machinery operator, technician, and enthusiast in the agriculture industry has easy access to top quality manuals for KC equipment. We're not just another website, we're your trusted partner in agricultural success. Here's what sets us apart. 1. Service manuals. Our service manuals are painstakingly crafted to provide you with unparalleled insights into the inner workings of KC equipment. When it's time to troubleshoot an issue or perform routine maintenance, our service manuals become your invaluable companion. They offer step-by-step guidance with clear instructions and high-resolution diagrams, ensuring your machinery runs at its peak. 2. Parts manuals. Finding the right parts for your KC equipment is crucial. Our parts manuals simplify this process with comprehensive parts lists, complete with part numbers and detailed illustrations. With this information at your fingertips, you can effortlessly identify and procure the correct parts, saving you precious time and resources. 3. Operators manuals. Safety always comes first when operating agricultural equipment. Our operators manuals are designed with this principle in mind. They provide crystal clear instructions on equipment operation, safety protocols, and best practices. Whether you're a seasoned operator or a novice, our manuals empower you to operate KC machinery with confidence and security. Affordable excellence. We understand that farming is more than just a profession, it's a way of life. That's why we're committed to offering you the best prices on KC agriculture equipment manuals. We believe that access to high-quality resources should be accessible to all. Your success is our success, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Convenience in PDF. In today's digital age, convenience is paramount. That's why we've made all our KC agriculture equipment manuals available in PDF format. PDFs are universally accessible, allowing you to download, view, and print them with ease. Whether you prefer a digital copy on your device or a tangible one in your hands, our PDF manuals provide unmatched flexibility. Your comprehensive library. Machinesmanual.com boasts an extensive library that caters to the diverse needs of the agriculture industry. From tractors and combines to balers and more, our curated collection covers a wide range of KC agricultural equipment. With us, you're never far from the manual you need to optimize your machinery's performance. Deep insights for informed decisions. Our manuals are more than just documents, they're invaluable resources. We recognize that agricultural equipment represents a significant investment, and it's crucial to keep it operating at its best. Our manuals offer detailed specifications, schematics, and instructions to empower you to make informed decisions about maintenance, repairs, and enhancements. Your success is our priority. Customer satisfaction is at the core of our values. We're dedicated to ensuring that your experience with machinesmanual.com is seamless and rewarding. If you ever have questions or need assistance, our friendly customer support team is ready to assist. Because when you succeed, we succeed. Conclusion: elevate your agriculture journey with machinesmanual.com. Machinesmanual.com isn't just a website, it's your trusted ally on your agricultural journey. Download your KC Agriculture Equipment Manuals from machinesmanual.com today and harness the full potential of your machinery. Your success is our priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. With machinesmanual.com, you're equipped for excellence. Unlock the power of your agriculture equipment today.